This training will demonstrate how to delegate authority within the SWEP tool. Any user with an approval role can designate another active SWEP user in their district for a defined time period as a delegate to perform their approval tasks. I'm currently logged in as a District Environmental Manager. The Delegate Authority link can be found by clicking on the Head and Shoulders icon. The third link here is Delegate Authority. The title of the page is Delegate District Environmental Administrator Authority. The delegator, that's me, the account I'm logged in as, Janie Jacobs. The delegate name, select the person to whom authority is to be delegated. Here I can begin typing the name of the person to receive the authority, and then select from the list when I'm prompted. I choose a date range, starting from today's date by default, but if I, for example, am going on vacation next week and I want to choose next Monday as a starting date, and then next Friday as an ending date, I can select those from the date pickers. I can provide comments here, and then click Save Delegation. My active delegations list is updated to show that the delegation has been added. If I need to change the information, if I, for example, come back early or need to change to someone else, I click the Edit button. That will reload the page with the information for that selection, and I can update it. Once the delegation expires, it'll be listed in expired delegations, so I have a history to see who had that role during different time periods. Here I've added a second delegation to another user. Notice that the dates overlap. I can have multiple designated delegates at the same time. At the time that the delegate is selected, an email is sent to that person notifying them that they have taken on the responsibilities for the District Environmental Administrator. The subject line for this notification is Delegation of Authority for, and then the name of the District Environmental Administrator. The body of the email includes the beginning and ending dates for the time period during which that person has the delegated responsibilities. If the time period changes, a new email with the subject line Delegation of Authority for, the name of the District Environmental Administrator, updated, and the content includes the beginning and ending dates of the revised time period for the delegation. Here's an example of a project that was delegated and approved. You can see that the fourth project in the list was approved by Joe Launchbox for Philip Posey. What this means is Philip Posey was the District Environmental Administrator, delegated the ability to approve projects to Joe Lunchbox. Joe then did the approval, and you see that it's listed by the delegate for the DEA. If you have questions about delegating authority or any other questions about the SWEP tool, you can contact the OEM Help Desk using our email address, swept@fla-etat.org, or call us at 850-414-5334.